Iman Ghazi has made over $100 million using his YouTube channel. And one of the biggest factor behind that growth was his thumbnails. Because of the strong thumbnail, he was able to grow his channel to 5.5 million subscribers with millions of views. And thumbnails are so important that Iman Ghazi has himself admitted this multiple times.
Thumbnails are so important.
Most creators never focus that much on thumbnail. They think they can create a thumbnail in 10 minutes just before uploading the video and the job is done and people will automatically click the video. But this is the exact reason why most creators stay stuck wondering why their videos are not getting actual views. There is a very big difference, an extremely huge difference between a good looking thumbnail and a thumbnail that actually gets the click. I have studied Iman Ghazi's hundreds of thumbnails for months. And finally, I have got the cheat code that he is using to crack his thumbnail on a next level. Iman does not approach his thumbnails like a design problem. He approaches them like a psychological problem. Just this one way change in your thinking about approaching the thumbnails can change entire trajectory of your channel. So in this video, I am going to break down exact 3 things that Iman uses in every single of his thumbnail. And by the end of this video, you will be able to create thumbnails like Iman Ghazi and completely blow up your channel. First thing, tell the transformation, not the information. When most creators approach thumbnails, here's how they usually approach them. If the video is about money, they show a stack of money in the video. If the video is about discipline, they put the keyword discipline in the thumbnail. If the video is about productivity, they will show a to-do list or a calendar in the productivity of thumbnail. On a surface level, the logic feels completely reasonable because the idea is very simple. Match the thumbnail to the topic of the video so that the viewer instantly understands what the content is about. But when a person actually scrolling through YouTube, they are not actually looking for information. They are unconsciously looking for their own benefit. Here's an example. The video title is 3 Habits That Made Me Millionaire by 18. Now most creators will make the thumbnail like stack of cash, luxury cars, expensive watch and mentions etc. in the thumbnail. But look how that Iman Ghazi approaches a type of thumbnail. He is simply just setting a laptop and you can see his schedule and you can see his work environment. There is no money shown in the thumbnail and still it got 2.4 million views. This thumbnail work because your brain do not process it like information about making money. Instead, your brain processes it like this is the lifestyle of a millionaire. This person lives like this. This means he have already achieved what he is talking about. And maybe I should also do the same exact thing to become a millionaire. Here's another example. The video title is Disappear and Come Back Unrecognizable. Now look at the thumbnail. There is literally no information available on the thumbnail. No tips, no explanation, no value being showed in front. It is literally just a man in a dark hoodie with a giant text 2026 behind him. And still, this thumbnail pulled off 2.2 million views. Because this thumbnail is showing viewer an identity. This is what disappearing and coming back unrecognizable looks like. This is visually showing the transformation. When the viewer look at the thumbnail, they instantly feel discipline and self-improvement vibes. And that exact feeling is what that made the people click on the video. Before anybody clicks on a video, their brain is silently asking one single question. That is this a person which is worth my time? And if the answer is not clear, they obviously don't let the video and scroll away. Point 2. Extreme clarity. Creating curiosity in viewers' mind is important. But if nobody understands what your thumbnail is about, then all the curiosity psychology behind the thumbnails not even matter because nobody slow down enough to watch the or click the video because they can't understand what the thumbnail is about, what the video is about. There is a lot of confusion about thumbnail. Open YouTube and scroll for 10 seconds the homepage. You will immediately notice that most of the thumbnails are overloaded. But most of the text, faces, busy backgrounds, logos, icons, all of these things in a single thumbnail competing for attention and fighting with each other. Now look at the Iman Ghazi YouTube channel. His thumbnails are extremely clear. They have a clear focus and one clear idea per thumbnail. Here's an example. The video title is Here are 3 things you must avoid if you want to get rich. The thumbnail, it is very incredibly simple. 3 icons, 2 checks, 1 green, 1 red, Iman's photo and 2 white boxes. That is that much simple. And even if you watch this video on a very small screen, you can instantly tell what the video is about. That is how much clear and simple thumbnail is. In this thumbnail, each element are not fighting with each other for attention, because every icon and every element in this thumbnail has a very clear purpose. Mainly, this thumbnail has only three main subjects: the subject Iman, and the left side box and the right side box. Only these three elements are present in this simple and incredible thumbnail. Here is another example. The video title says the 7 worst purchases to buy in your 20s. Again, the same psychology has been used here, because the thumbnail has the Apple logo, the Gucci logo, 2 Red Cross and Iman's subject face. If a beginner made this thumbnail, they would probably add more icons, more elements and more colors, because they think that adding more elements create more curiosity in viewers' mind. But in reality, using more elements definitely not create curiosity. Instead, they create a massive confusion in viewers' mind and they scroll away. This is why Iman removes everything from his thumbnail until the thumbnail is left with one clear idea competing for attention. The easier is your thumbnail to understand, the easier it becomes to click. And the harder your thumbnails to understand, the easier it becomes to scroll away. Point 3. Authority. This is probably most underrated thing in Iman Dazvi thumbnail. And honestly, it takes me the longest time to understand this one core thing. When someone watches a thumbnail, they do not recognize the creator. They ask one simple question in their brain: is this person worth my time? Most creators never answer that question. They think the topic is interesting enough already to generate clicks and massive CTR. But Iman answered the authority question before you even read his channel name or see his channel logo. By using lighting, expressions, color grading, environment and overall visual feel, his thumbnails feel so premium and cinematic, like very calm, sharp and clear lighting source, instead of like generic thumbnails or random or amateur or overly saturated type of thumbnail. Here's an example. The video title says 4 things you should must avoid if you want to get rich. The lighting already creates authority because of the clear bad top-down view with a clear light source and a cinematic feel, instead of like a generic or random bedroom lighting. Also, his expression feels very calm and controlled, instead of like very exaggerating or overly fake. And this is how you register him with association with authority. Here's another example. The video title says, here are 5 things that are keeping men weak. Again, the same psychology is being used here. The logos are placed perfectly. The icons are very good. The overall thumbnail feels very intentional. The color grading is also great. It is not overly saturated. And when all of these details combine together, then your brain feels like this person genuinely knows the stuff what they are actually talking about. So stop thinking thumbnails as a design problem. Start thinking them as a psychological problem, because every single thumbnail must answer these silently 3 questions in viewers' mind. First, does this move my life forward? This is transformation. Second, can I understand this instantly? This is clarity. Third, is this person actually worth my time? This is authority. Transformation, clarity and authority. These are the real things why Iman Dazvi thumbnails feels so intentional and so cinematically premium. And none of this depends on massive budget, bigger teams or expensive crazy cameras. None of that matters for these kind of 3 things. It is simply just a way of thinking. Psychological first, design second. And once this genuinely clicks for your brain, the way you see thumbnails completely change forever. And if this video helped you, then consider subscribing, because I will see you in next video with again a lot of value.